How to refund purchases on Xbox One. Hello everyone, this is Sneha from Create, Login and Delete, and in this instructional video today, I'll guide you through the process of obtaining a refund for purchases made on Xbox One. It's a simple and a rapid procedure, so be sure to follow along carefully. To begin, you'll notice that I'm recording this tutorial from the Xbox website at www.xbox.com rather than from the actual Xbox One console. This is because the method I am about to demonstrate requires you to visit the Microsoft Xbox website and sign into your account. If you prefer to carry out this process using your console, you may want to utilize the Microsoft Edge browser located there. And regardless for this approach, log into the Xbox home website and then navigate to the top and select Support, which will redirect you to the relevant page. Here, select Subscriptions and Billing under Pick a Section, which will redirect you once more. Now choose Billing and Payment Updates. And the first option presented is what we are aiming for. That is, request a refund for digital games. Here, they will outline the rules and criteria for eligibility for a refund. If your purchase meets this criteria, you can click on Sign In and you should be automatically redirected or signed in, and the requestability window will appear. As you can see, on my account, there are currently no purchases, so I won't be able to demonstrate how this looks. However, if you have eligible purchases, they will be displayed here, and you simply need to select them from the list and then choose Request a Refund at the bottom. Subsequently, you'll be able to monitor the status by switching to the Refund Status tab and waiting for your refund to be processed. As long as you meet the specified criteria and review the frequently asked questions, you should be able to obtain a full refund. I trust that this tutorial has been helpful in understanding how to request a refund on the Xbox One. If this video has assisted you, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more quick and straightforward tips. Thank you for watching.